In today's Saufter AI review, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of whether Saufter is the right fit for your needs. With so many new tools popping up, it's tough to keep track of which ones truly stand out. But I've done the heavy lifting for you. Let's get into it. First off, Saufter promises to simplify and enhance your digital marketing efforts using cutting-edge AI. But is it really all that it's cracked up to be? Well, the key thing to note is that Saufter doesn't just claim to automate tasks. It makes sure that your actions are backed by data-driven insights, which can save you hours, even days of work. One of the standout features is its ability to intelligently analyze user behavior and optimize your campaigns in real time. This means you can adjust ads, emails, or any customer touchpoints based on actual behavior instead of relying on outdated strategies or assumptions. Whether you're managing a small business or a large-scale operation, this level of precision can make all the difference in getting the best ROI on your campaigns. Another reason to pay attention to Saufter is its user-friendly interface. If you're new to AI or have never used software like this before, you won't feel overwhelmed. Saufter's dashboard is clean and intuitive, making it easy to integrate into your existing workflow. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can still use it to its full potential without a steep learning curve. The AI-powered content generation tools are where Saufter really shines. Writing compelling copy can take hours, but with Saufter, the AI helps you craft high-converting content in a fraction of the time. Whether it's email subject lines, social media posts, or full-blown ad copy, the software has built-in templates and suggestions tailored to your audience. This is a major time saver, especially if you're running multiple campaigns at once. What about customer support? Saufter's customer service is top-notch. If you ever have an issue or need help navigating the software, the support team is responsive and knowledgeable, which is not always the case with new software. They've really thought about the user experience, and it shows in their dedication to assisting users. However, like any software, Saufter isn't without its flaws. The biggest drawback I've found is that it may not integrate seamlessly with every tool out there. If you're using a very niche platform for your business, you might run into some compatibility issues. That said, the team behind Saufter is constantly working on updates, so this is something I expect to improve in the future. Now the big question, should you give it a try? Absolutely. If you're into digital marketing or looking to leverage AI to automate your business, Saufter AI is a game changer. With its powerful features and intuitive design, it's definitely worth checking out. If you're interested, you can try Saufter AI for free through the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and after all that, Saufter has made my shortlist as one of the best. I've also included some of my top recommendations for AI software you can try for free after testing them extensively. That's all for this review. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to start using these tools and optimize your business today.